Hey everyone, Ethan here. Today we're going to review Peec AI. I've been hearing a lot about this company, so let's check it out. So we're going to sign up here. All right, let me check my research. All right, let's confirm the email. All right, so we're going to see there's an onboarding flow here. So we're going to go with in-house, and we're going to use, one of my companies I work with. Let's check this out. Here's the website. Plug the website in. The US is great. Next. All right, generating topics. We'll create targeted prompts for each topics and see how AI discusses these areas. M dash. You can add topics later. All right. Let's go with the top ones. Actually, I don't see the ones here. Web scraping, proxy. All right. And then we're going to go with ISP proxy. And let's go with mobile proxy. All right. So 3 key topics. These actually weren't so good. All right, next. All right, so it looks like it's generating some prompts now based on these topics. Oh, okay, I have to review them. Need to automate data collection from competitor sites, top data solutions. Oh, these are pretty good. Let's add these as well. So I have 25, I see. Okay. It's not bad. All right, it looks good. So we have 14 out of 25. Okay. All right, so I have some data here. So we're seeing Bright Data is on second place. It's pretty good. 61, 40, 53. All right, see more rankings. Oh, trial. Okay, we'll get this in a second. I want to see what else we can see here. Top sources. Okay, so I see a list of top domains as sources. Even though I don't see some of the common ones, maybe they're using the API and not a scraper. It's also pretty quick. Then we also see here some top URLs used as citations. Okay. Okay, this also goes to the paywall. Recent chats. All right, so I guess this is the queries that they ran. I should have already understood that's what's going to happen. So we're going to the paywall here. So we can see here, all right, whose position. Okay. And we see more chats, which goes again to this. All right, so looks like at this point, I have this little brief and I need to upgrade. Okay, so let's take care of that. Let's do a 4-day trial. We'll see their packages. So one of them, 90 euros a month. I prefer having in dollars, but I guess they're European. So we have 3 platforms, ChatGPT, Perplexity, both number of prompts, daily tracking, both. So it looks like almost everything's the same except for the number of prompts and the Slack support. Yeah, 25 is going to be fine. So we're going to do this. Let's start trial here. All right, now we're back. All right, so we finished the credit card. Now we have a welcome video. All right, we'll watch that a bit later. I'm going to open that here. Let's see what we can see here. All right, so we're in the dashboard. So it looks like our brand at 50%. We have sentiment at 79%, position at 2.3. All right. Join the daily kickstart session. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's. So you can see I can filter here. I have the models. Some other ones that require some upgrades. Okay. We have the topics, which I input. Okay. Now, let's see here. We have the sources. Now it looks like the sources are a bit different. Reddit now appears. Before it didn't appear, which is interesting, because I know Reddit appears mostly when it's done with a scraper and not with an API. That's a good sign. Seeing Reddit is a good indication that this is something that you can trust. Now I can see here, so let me see citations. Updated 19 hours ago. Huh. I just started the pilot. How is that possible? That means they probably did this for somebody else. So they already saw the citation. Okay. You can see that our customers mentioned details. All right. This is the response that came back. Okay. We can see that. It's pretty cool. And what was that? What's this? It's a bit weird. You see this? Looks like conversation. Is that ChatGPT talk? All right, so we're going to go over this. Again, we have the overview page. We see here the domains, the citations. We have this nice pie chart, which, let's see, what does it mean? 65 is corporate, meaning the websites, I assume. Then we have UGC, so LinkedIn, Reddit. What is that black one? Was that Stripe? No, that is reference, Wikipedia, editorial. These are publishers, and you, our website. Too bad I can't click on that. Recent chats. So here are the prompts. All right, so we can see the citations, the brands. So here there are actually no mentions, interesting enough. This is perplexity. All right, forgot. We have a few models. Oh, what happened? All right, I think I jumped somewhere. Let's go back. Did I just get kicked out? I think I kicked out. That's interesting. Let me try log back in. Okay. All right, I'm back. So I had some issues. The Peec AI system logged me out, or actually just reset my account. So I was stuck in an endless loop. So I had to open a new account. All right, so now we're back. The data might be a bit different because it's tracking different topics now. So we have the overview page, which I think we covered. Now let's go to the prompts. We can see here the prompts are organized in topics. This topic I just added, so it's probably going to take a while. We can see here each query, the visibility. So I guess this means what percentage of them actually mentioned us. Not sure. Oh, okay. So they tried it on 3 different models. I guess some of them mentioned us, some didn't. So here's the percentage. Yeah, okay, so yes, since there's 3, it's only 1, 2, or 3. Here was 0, sentiment. So I assume they're analyzing the sentiment of the response. Was it positive or negative? Or I'm assuming 100 is the maximum. Position. All right, so what was the average position? Our client, it's pretty good. Mentions. All right, so it's mentioning just us. Seems to be. The volume. This is an interesting one because I know a lot of these companies, they use some signals to estimate it because I'm assuming this isn't the real data. Similar intents. Okay. So we have this scale, 1 out of 5. Okay. Tags, location. Cool. And for each one, we can see, okay, our visibility, what's right now, it's just one data point, the citations here of this prompt, and the responses. Okay, yeah, here we can see our client. Okay, actually, there were other brands mentioned here as well. They weren't picked up yet. I assume they should appear here as well. All right, now let's go to sources. Wait, was there anything else here? No. Okay, sources. So here we can see the top sources. On the right, it's broken down by category, and here we can see which ones. All right, cool. They have the domain type, how often it's used in answers. Okay. And the average citations. The domain's average number of citations within a chat when used as a source. I'm not completely sure what this means. I'll read it again later. Okay. So here we can see this. Cool. Can we filter? Awesome. Let's see. Okay, cool. We can see that. Show sources where competitors are mentioned. Well, let's actually go back here and check this out. All right, so this is not working, or maybe it needs some more time. It's actually pretty interesting for gap analysis. Maybe I need to input the competitors first. Okay, so we have the sources, export, search, nice. Now let's go to preferences. Okay, so here we have our brand. One this says default, your brand, okay. And we can track some competitors. Let's do that. Boom, boom. And that's it. That should be good. Let's actually remove this one. All right. So now we have that. Let's see if something changed. All right, great. Now we're seeing some more data. And now we can probably see in the citations as well. There we go. So here are citations, let's say in Reddit, where our company is not mentioned and the competitors are. So this will be interesting for filling that gap. All right, nice. All right, tags. Let's see. Okay. So we can basically organize all of these prompts according to custom tags. People, manage the team here. Okay. So project. Okay, so which models are we tracking? Which locations? Export chat history. All right. Billing. And not interesting. All right, we're in the trial state. API keys. All right. That's pretty much it. I think we covered everything. What I'm seeing here is we have the prompt tracking. They help generate the prompts, but I assume I can add a custom one. Can I? Oh, there we go. Add prompt, bulk upload, topic, tags, perfect. Okay, and we can add the topics as well. Nice. So we have the prompt tracking, we have the citations, which is useful to know how the models are basing these answers. We can manage our tracked competitors, some tags, and some settings. So that's pretty much it. Overall, the UI looks good. It's fairly simple to understand. I did have that issue when signing up and getting kicked out, which was a real pain. If I wasn't doing this review, I might have just went to another tool. But generally, I give this a pretty good score. That's it for today. That's Peec AI. See you next time.